Today, we embark on a transformative journey to unravel the mysteries that shroud our wealth. Join me as we delve into the depths of the financial world, uncovering hidden truths and unlocking the keys to abundance and prosperity. Segment 1: The Enigma of Budgeting. Budgeting, it's the cornerstone of financial stability. Yet, beneath its seemingly straightforward surface lies a labyrinth of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Prepare to embark on a journey through time and wisdom as we explore the ancient principles and modern-day strategies that will revolutionize the way you manage your money. Segment 2: Decrypting Investment Strategies. Investing, it's often shrouded in complexity and uncertainty. But fear not, for we shall embark on a quest to decode the enigma of investment strategies. From the cryptic world of stocks and bonds to the arcane arts of asset allocation, we'll unveil the secrets to building a robust investment portfolio that stands the test of time. Segment 3: The Mystery of Passive Income. Passive income, it's the holy grail of wealth creation. Yet, for many, it remains an elusive concept, shrouded in mystery and misconception. Join me as we embark on a quest to unravel the mysteries of passive income, from exploring mystical streams of revenue to uncovering ancient wealth-building techniques that have stood the test of time. Segment 4: The Quest for Financial Freedom. Financial freedom, it's the ultimate treasure that many seek but few attain. Yet, the path to liberation may be closer than you think. Join me as we embark on an epic quest to uncover the secrets of financial freedom, revealing ancient wisdom and modern-day strategies that will empower you to break free from the chains of financial bondage and live life on your own terms. Conclusion: as our journey comes to an end, remember this: the mysteries of wealth are not beyond your reach. With knowledge as your compass and determination as your guide, you hold the key to unlocking the riches that await. Until next time, continue your quest for wisdom, keep seeking, keep learning, and may your path be illuminated with abundance.